Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we wrap up a brand new benchmark. They were testing out 13 Sentinels Aegis Rim for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. Holy crap! I think this game runs off jump. This game runs. This is the demo, but this actually runs. I actually muted the audio just now because it was singing music, and I ain't getting copywritten for this crap. That ain't happening here. So we just changed it real quick. I'm gonna show you. We always run everything on the default settings. The whole point of the video is simply to see if the game can run in the first place, and it seems like 13 Sentinels will be playable from launch, which is crazy to me. Awesome. It seems like this one will be playable by launch, but look at that RAM usage. We are using 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode. I normally state that you probably need over 12 gig. You need at least 12 gigs of RAM for YUZU. It's getting more demanding, and this ain't no joke. This is like one of the, I think other than Pokemon Legends Arceus, this is the most intensive RAM usage of a game I've ever seen. Look at this crap. Over 8 gigs? What is it, AAA title? AAA PC title? This has almost as much, just to give you an example, this has almost as much RAM usage as Elden Ring. Crazy. Now I know that this was some sort of visual novel, you know, about a mech fighting thing, so I can't really get into it, and everything's in Japanese, so there's that as well. But it does seem to be it's not very CPU intensive. Obviously I didn't expect it to be. We're gonna see what happens when we get into the walking around part as just the characters, because there are certain areas of that as well. Can we? I don't know. Can't read Japanese, unfortunately. I don't know what's going on, but I guess the battle is starting. Holy crap! He just lit me up. Hit him! I guess I'm fighting back. I fought back. Don't know what I did, but I did it. But I'ma do it. I don't know what I did. Oh, okay. Yeah, the thing about this was a PS4 exclusive. I believe this is coming out sometime in April on the Nintendo Switch, which is always great when they actually port over other games. I always did want to play. I heard people said a lot of great things about this game. I'm very curious about it. Obviously, the demo version is only in Japanese at this point in time, so we're just testing just to make sure it runs on YUZU, which is really shocking to me that it does. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you enjoy the type of content I post with the emulators or the integrated graphics for low-end gaming, don't forget to leave the like down below, man. It really helps me out on the channel. I post a lot of content, as you know. YUZU. Oh, there you go. YUZU, RBCS3, and Xenia emulated on the channel. I've played a lot of games so far, especially for RPCS3. RPCS3 is I've done a lot more for lately. But we've been posting a lot of content for these games, as well as showing you how newer games run on integrated graphics, such as Elden Ring run on integrated graphics. If you're interested in any of that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below something you'd like to see me test next. Have a wide array of setups. And yeah, we're having fun. Okay, this is the area where I was talking about where they start to let me walk around with the characters now. Because the battle part was fine. There's a visual novel part, and there's the walking around part. So we wanted to see this part here. Look at it, it runs well. I mean, I didn't think it was gonna be demanding, but it runs off jump. That's crazy. So we're just gonna, I just want to move a little bit. Yeah, there we go. We're moving. It runs at 60 the whole time, so you can actually really enjoy this whole game. Nice. You can legitimately enjoy this whole game. What just happened? I don't know what happened. Oh, I can leave like this? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have, please leave a like, a comment, share, and I'll see you guys the next time. Also, I have no idea what I'm doing right now.
映画といえば借りてた映画昨日かしはい巨大ロボットが興奮重郎返しとくまたいい映画がいいけどすっかりビデオ見すぎそういえば最近映画のシーンをそりゃそのビデオと現実あったね冬坂さんまた寝てるなもう放課後起こした方がいいのかなそういえば女の子がロボットに乗ってたな
うさみちゃんこの後待ち合わもしそれいや違う待ち合わせの相手
そんなことより例のビデオあの映画本当借りるんだろもちろんあっとしまったちょっと待ってろ芝君は元気だな待ってろってどこへ行ったんだろうあの映画は今ではあの映画はマイナーで今ではあの映画は今では冬坂さん
あれ
もう授業終わって
黒部ありがとう
よくね
私今また君がいる夢
僕が
それ
おいまずいぜ網口のやつあれれお二人さん